Pascal triangle. Okay,
Mhm.
1 plus 1 is 2. Okay,
Yeah.
1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So add all consecutive numbers. 4, this is 6, this is 4, right?
Yes.
5, 10, 10, 5. You can continue like this. Okay,
Yeah.
6, 15, 20, 15, 6, right? Like this, and so on. Understood?
Yeah.
So what is the use of Pascal triangle? A plus B whole square is what? Take the coefficient. Coefficient is what? Put A square 2AB plus B square, right?
Yes.
From where you get this? Understood?
Yes.
A plus B whole cube. What is the coefficient? 1, 3, 3, 1, right?
Mhm.
So 1, 3, 3, 1. 1 means what? Put A cube, then A square, then A, right? And here B cube, B square, B. Understood?
Yes.
From where you get A plus B whole 4. So formula is what? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, right?
Yeah.
A4, A cube, decrease the power of A until you have A. And from back side, decrease the power of B.
Mm.
Understood?
Yeah.
So from where you get this? Now can you tell me A plus B raised to 5? A raised to 5 plus 5, this is 5, right? A raised to 4, then 10, right? Then again 10.
Wait, what did you do?
I am using this formula.
Did you add them all up? What did you do?
I am expanding this by using Pascal's triangle. So these are the coefficients, right?
Okay.
So Pascal's triangle represents the coefficient of A plus B whole square, A plus B whole cube, A plus B4, A plus B5, right?
Okay.
I am again drawing Pascal's triangle. This is 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 10, 10, 5, like this, okay?
Yes.
So the coefficient of A plus B5 is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. If I again expand, this will be 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me A plus B whole raised to 6?
Um.
These are coefficients. So write here 1, 6,
Oh, those.
right, in same order. Understood?
Yeah.
Then put the value of A raised to 6 and decrease the power of A until you will reach A, right? As much as you decreasing the power of A, increase the power of B in same order. Understood?
Yes.
And put plus between two terms. called Pascal's triangle. Suppose if you want minus a minus b whole square, then what will you do? First,
Everything's subtracted.
everything is not subtracted, alternate sign will be changed. First is always positive, second is negative.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for this, first is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, right?
Yes.
Positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, right?
Yes.
Negative, positive, negative, like this. So note this and write Pascal's triangle also. Suppose if I want to make 2x minus 5y raised to 5. So what will be the formula?
What's sorry? 2x minus 5y.
Okay. So for this you have to solve using Pascal's triangle. Okay. This
Yeah.
is 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 10, 10, 5. So what will you write? This is a actually, right?
Yeah.
And there is minus sign in between 2x and 5y. So 5 right?
Yeah.
Then 10, then again 10 with negative sign. Right. 2 raised to 5 is 32. Understood?
Yes.
And when you 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 into 5 is 80. 80 into 5 is 400.
Okay.
2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 into 25, 200, 2000. Right?
Yeah.
5 raised to 3 is 125. 125 into 4
Okay.
into 10, 5000. This is your answer, right?